Yep, so every day at work. Coming to work every day. People that see me outside probably think that I'm just a weird person, but it's okay. It's okay. This is what we do every single day. I'm gonna take that lock off, but I'm not gonna show you the password. So this is the restaurant. I come in pretty early every day. Not every single day, but I came in early today specifically for this video. I'll show you everything we do. My servers are gonna be happy with me because I'm gonna put all these chairs down for them because I came in super early. I actually have some paperwork I have to get to, but it's okay. So this is the restaurant. 3 booths on this side, 3 large tables over here, 3 booths there. That little corner table. A lot of people actually ask to sit in that table. It's really funny. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what I'm saying? That's the kitchen over there. I'll show you in a second. Bar area. This is like where the special is usually. It's kind of cool. It lights up. Here, I'll show you. I usually have it on that one. So if you have a seizure, I'm sorry. This is it. You know, a lot of more middle tables over there. 4 on this side, 4 on that side. So if you ever come to Los Barriles, the person who has ever, if you're sitting in this section right here, your server actually has the largest section in the restaurant. So like their tables are actually all of that, all the way to right here. These 2 first tables right here. And then also these 2 tables over there. So that's like what, 4, that's 9 tables. No, not 9, it's 8 tables. So it's kind of big. So it's like a lot, like especially, and honestly, the restaurant does get full. The people that come, if you ever see this video online, then you'll be able to, you'll be able to vouch for that. Sorry, my English is not that good, but I am learning. So this is it. I'm the manager here at Los Barriles. If you follow me online, you already know who I am, but I'm not gonna show myself yet. This is the kitchen. You know, this is where we get drinks and stuff. This is the kitchen. We always come early. What's up, guys? Buenos dias, buenos dias. This is where we put the cheese dip and stuff like that. That's where the chips are usually at. That's the chip machine. Salsa's over there. It's early though, like I said. We got all this different stuff. We usually have more, but it's about to be the end of the month, so I'm trying to, I just choked on myself, but this is it, you know, so we're trying to finish up all this, and then after that, at the beginning of the month, order some more stuff. I got other things over here. Don Julio 1942, we're into that, you know, Don Julio, other things. I got a few unopened bottles over here, you know what I'm saying? These over here, yeah. Hello, welcome to Los Barriles online. This is the YouTube of Los Barriles. This is like a weird intro because this is obviously my first video for this channel, but eventually we will get a cool intro. Right now it is 9:16 in the morning on July 29th. I am starting a new series that's going to happen every day that I come to work. Today is the first episode of Los Barriles TV as we hope to grow our audience in the area, just to make the restaurant a little bit more busy. People that have been here already, they already know that the food is pretty good. At least in my opinion, it's pretty good. Other customers can attest for that. Sorry, my English is not that good. I am hoping to get more awareness for our restaurant in the area.